There are three parts of the old dairy farm depot. They are the old dairy farm depot, or the old dairy farm building, the French Club, and the Foreigner Correspondence Club. Chapter 1. History of the old dairy farm depot. In 1892, Dairy Farm built a stucco building as a cold storage warehouse in Central. The appearance of the old Dairy Farm depot. And the warehouse was renovated and expanded in 1913, 1917, and 1925 to include a room for meat smoking, a cold storage room, and a dairy shop for the general manager to use as a residency. The top of the roof shows the age. It was designed by Debbie and Lane. The old depot only comprised two parts, the southern part and the northern part. The building later evolved into the company headquarters until the company moved in the 1970s. Chapter 2. Architecture of the old dairy farm depot. This is an exterior appearance of the old dairy farm depot. The dairy farm depot is in the eclectic architectural style, some art and craft influence. The wall is mainly in red bricks. The design of the windows. The design of the street sign. The old pipe outside the FCC. The long stairs. The old style design of the building. The interior part of the old dairy farm depot. The special outer wall. The red bricks. The puppet art. Chapter 3. Conservation of the old dairy farm depot. The dairy farm depot was listed as a Grade II historic building in 1981, but it changed as a Grade I historic building in 2009. The renovation and the refurbishment of the old dairy farm depot is done by the Hong Kong French Club, which was a winner of the 2001 Hong Kong Heritage Awards. Organized by the Antiquities Advisory Board and the Antiquities and the Monument Office. Part 1. A new restaurant inside the old dairy farm depot. Part 2. The Art Club, the French Club. The advertising of the French Club. There is the Hong Kong Heritage Awards. Part 3. The Foreigner Correspondence Club. The Foreigner Correspondence Club was occupied the northern part in 1982, and the southern part of the dairy farm depot was occupied by the Hong Kong French Club in 1984. It has held many renovation projects for the contemporary art after the French Club has moved in. People can easily be reached the old dairy farm depot by public transport, such as MTR and bus. It just takes few minutes to get there. This is the end. Thank you.